Can I coming, ma'ams?
Yes. Please sit down.
Thank you. That's my reason.
Tell me something about yourself.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Jaswant Kumar Singh. I am from Patna, and I have done my graduation in 2019 from BCom. And after that, I got job in 2022. So after that, I have in job till now.
Tell me about your position in current job.
Position. I am in ASI in my current job,
What is the full form of ASI?
assistant sub inspector.
Okay. Now, what are you doing nowadays? Are you working?
Yeah, I am working
Okay. I do work with a company.
because I want to switch my job. That's why I want to come. I want to come with your company, so I get explore.
So why do you want to switch your job, your previous job?
Because I am in government job, so that I don't explore that much. And in private job, I get chance to explore the world and the country as well.
So you want to do in private company?
Yeah, I want to do.
Okay, because you want to explore the world.
Yeah,
Okay. So just one. Why did you apply this job?
as I said earlier, because I want to get this job because I want to explore from this point. I have access to explore the India, and after that I was going to explore the world.
Okay. So what is your weakness?
My weakness is my family, and my strength is also my family.
Okay. So now you're living with your family?
No, I am living alone in Delhi. In here.
What is your last salary package?
My package is around 6 lakh per annum in hand.
Okay, 6 lakh per annum.
Likely.
So tell me about your weakness.
My weakness is my family.
Your weakness is your family?
And the strength also.
How it possible? Like
It is possible because
your family is strength and weakness also.
because I can do anything for my family, and if I want to go abroad, my family is become my weakness. So I don't leave them alone.
Then in future, like your we have some projects and you have to do that projects in a limit time. Then your family also need you all that time. Then you will skip our project and go to your family.
No, I'm going to manage both of them at a time because I have that skill of management.
But before some time you are told that your weakness is your family.
My strength is also my family, so that they also expect that he is busy, then that's why they are my strength.
So you think you can balance both,
Yeah,
like your family and your job?
I don't think we can do.
So what are your salary expectation?
My salary expectation is 15 lakh per annum.
50
Lakh
lakh.
per annum.
Okay. So why should we hire you if we are giving 15 lakh per annum?
Because I have ability to do that. Any work you want to do me, I have that much of qualification. I have that much of qualification, and also I have that much of experience. And I study hard to get in private job. And if I switch my job to government to private, I have to expect more than 200% salary hike. Because I get many facilities in government job. So if I quit that, I have to balance that.
So what is your hobbies?
My hobbies is playing cricket, listening rap songs, DHS, and that's all.
Hi. So you were told that you want to explore the world and that's why you want to do this job. But why you think that?
because the MNC companies have more branches in abroad also, but the government company has only in India. That's why I have a more chance to get.
Okay, so you know about our company. Like our company has uh, how many branches?
Yeah, I know your company. You have many branches in India also, and I
Where?
in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and abroad, New York, London, UK,
Okay, and then
also.
so from which you get know that about our company?
I get know from LinkedIn and my friend also, who is in past he worked for your company also,
Okay,
and he is in your abroad branch.
okay, that's good. And how do you pressure handling this company?
I can handle very well pressure in company because I have strength of that also that I have very much self confidence to do that any kind of work in limited time of period also. So I will manage everything.
Okay, that's great. So tell me some reason because that we can hire you.
I already tell her a reason to hire me. Told. Sorry. I already told.
Okay,
You don't listen. It's sir.
you can't do that with me. You have to give respect to me
So
because I am here. You don't have any manners to how to talk with seniors.
okay. Sorry.
We can't hire you.
Sorry for that what I have done, and sorry from bottom of my heart also. My intention was not that to hurt you. It's a sudden moment of time.
Why did you leave your last job?
I leave my last job because it was not good. It was good, but were not good for me. That's why I leave this. I don't want to do that kind of work. That's why I leave my job.
So now you are in notice period.
I have my job then.
Okay.
It will be honest.
So you have told that your job was good, but not for you. So could you explain why your job is not good for you?
Because it's not expect to. Nice question. You gave nice answer also. Because they want to me groom all time or save, and I don't want to save my beard, and it's good for anyone else who want to come and they want to settle, but not for me because I am no risk taking person. So that
So you think in your previous job you didn't have any risk?
yeah, I don't have any risk, and in my previous company. Can I? Okay.
So can you tell me some reason why should we hire you?
Because I have that much of experience, I have that much of qualification to fulfill your record.
So you have experience on manager.
No, I don't have experience as a manager, but I have qualification. I have done my MBA in management.
So we have 10 candidates like you who were said that we have qualification, we did MBA. Then why we should hire you? You have to explain about yourself, like your own quality.
Chinna. Because I have managed many people in my job. So yeah, when I was in Kashmir, I have under my say 10 people, and I will manage them very well. So that's my also a strength. So that,
You have managed skill.
yeah, I have also managed. I am also manage people in airports, normal people also, and very well.
In airports.
Yeah, I have done.
You did job in airport also.
Yeah,
Like which no, in which position?
My job is basically providing security to airport, metros, and so
So your
was it?
previous job, you did that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So your interview is good, and we need some time to think about you. They'll let you know.
Okay. Thank you, and sorry for my inconvenience.
It's okay, but you have to improve your manners
Book is
next time.
that job I did.
Okay.
Thank you.